Hello and welcome to Avantech Software ScanStation Tech Sessions. This is a how-to video on how to create a job using document templates. We're logging in as an admin user so that we can edit jobs. We click on the Job Manager button and we say Add New Job and give the job a name. Now I'm not going to be going through all the simple job functions since we have a separate video on creating a simple job. We're going to concentrate today on the template option. Source settings, we're going to choose a folder so that we can use predefined PDFs, and I'm going to go and choose the correct folder. Say OK. Scan settings, we don't need to change any of these. Document templates, this is the one we have to load a new template as an example. I choose one of the predefined PDFs, I make sure that it looks correct, which it does, and I can then go over to metadata. Metadata is where I choose the information that I would like to read or work with. In this case, I'd like to read this information using the OCR. So I give the names of the three fields that I'd like, which is client name, client VAT number, and the delivery note number. Okay, I leave the default custom type and I say manage OCR zones. Now since I haven't defined what these fields are going to have, it's going to ask me to highlight the areas within the template for me to choose the information from. Notice I click inside the area, highlight the zone. It shows me an example at the top right of what I need and what I'm seeing. I can then choose if I want to specify this is only text, and I can verify that it's read it correctly. Click on the second area. Again, I highlight where the VAT number should be found. Again, once that's done, I can see in the top right what it's read, and since this has got numbers and text, I'm leaving it as generic. I then click on the final one, delivery if. I highlight the area, and this time it's numbers, so I'm going to help the system by telling it it's numbers so it'll know what to do. This all looks correct, I say apply. Now where is this going to be saved to? Again, I'm going to use a source path, but this time I'm going to use the metadata that I've captured to make a customized file name rather than just accepting the default by the system. And I've chosen delivery ref and client name, and I also want to save the data which it extracts in a separate CSV file. Again, I choose the location where I want to do this, and I'm going to put it in the output folder, and I say OK. I now run the job. It asks me if I want to save. I say save. I then go to advanced so that I can choose multiple files and import 3 files for my test. Now analyzes the documents, reads the zones in each of the documents. As you can see, if I click on each and every one of these, it shows me not only what the value is, but also shows me where it found it from. This obviously makes sure that you can check that your template is working correctly. Everything seems fine, so I'm going to save all, say yes, and now I can exit from the job creation screen and back to the main menu. Here's my job button now on the screen. If I go to the folder, I can check the output folder, and I can see the files which have been created by my tests. Obviously, if I was to open a CSV file, I'd see that the metadata is displayed in comma-separated values. And that concludes this demonstration.